Hello, everyone. In Google Workspace, start by logging into your admin console using your business email. Once logged in, head over to Apps, then select Google Workspace and click on Gmail. Inside Gmail settings, go to Spam, Phishing, and Malware. Here you'll find the Blocked Senders option. Click on it, then select Configure. You'll be prompted to add a description for this rule. This helps you keep track of multiple domain blocks, especially if you manage several at once. Next, choose whether to block a new domain or use an existing list you've already created. Make sure the domain or email you want to block is included. You can also add a custom rejection notice, which will notify blocked senders that their emails won't be delivered. Once everything is set, click Save to apply your changes. The domain will be prevented from reaching your inbox, helping you maintain a clean, secure, and focused workspace. Blocking unwanted domains not only reduces spam, but also keeps your communication streamlined and your team more productive.